When it comes to your home, there is no room for compromise. Precision is the foundation of quality. Even the smallest gaps can lead to larger concerns. Your sanctuary deserves expert attention. Professional drywall repair is more than just a patch. It is an art of restoration. We treat every project with the utmost care, ensuring your property remains protected and pristine. Our experts look beyond the surface to understand the structure beneath. It takes years of experience to master the nuances of seamless drywall integration. We believe in doing things right the first time, every time. No shortcuts, just excellence. Witness the transformation, from exposed infrastructure to a polished finished surface. Notice the flawless transition. You won't even remember there was a hole. Under the sink or behind the scenes, we deliver a clean, modern look. Every corner of your home is an opportunity for perfection. We don't overlook a single detail. Quality is in the things you don't see, the smooth texture and the invisible seams. Rest easy, knowing your repairs are handled by seasoned professionals with a commitment to durability. Whether it's a small patch or a major renovation, our standards never waver. Experience counts when dealing with sensitive plumbing and electrical intersections. We follow a rigorous process to ensure every repair is structurally sound and aesthetically perfect. Using only the best compounds and tools, we build for longevity and a smooth finish. Our technicians take pride in leaving your home better than they found it. No dust, no mess. We value your time, delivering high-end results with professional efficiency and punctuality. Texture matching is our specialty. Your walls will look original, as if the damage never occurred. We are dedicated to enhancing the homes of our clients across the nation with American standard quality. Trust is earned through transparency and a track record of satisfied homeowners. Your home is your greatest investment. Protect it with the help of those who care about quality. From the moment we arrive to the final inspection, we are focused on your satisfaction. Our work stands the test of time, providing a solid foundation for your home's future. Step into a world where damage is a thing of the past and your walls are perfect once again. Experience the difference that true professional drywall repair can make in your home. Whatever the project, we bring our best, ensuring a premium experience from start to finish. Don't let damage linger. Contact us today to schedule your premium drywall consultation. American Drywall Specialists. Quality you can see, craftsmanship you can trust.